Welcome to English Reading for Learning.
Lucky number 13, a box turtle rescue mission. Dad, look! I yelled, pointing to the middle of the intersection. There, with cars roaring just inches away, sat the summer's 13th box turtle. My dad quickly parked our truck on the side of the road and got out. He held out his hands to stop traffic. Then he walked into the street and scooped up the turtle. Dad was a biologist, and he loved reptiles. Whew! I sighed. Another turtle safe and sound. I grew up in a section of Florida where bulldozing for houses and shopping malls drove thousands of reptiles out of their homes. Many of them ended up on lawns and busy highways. People would want to rescue them, and not knowing where else to go, they would take them to my dad. So far that summer, people had brought us 12 box turtles. We called them BTs. A girl found BT1 swimming in her pool. BT6 was discovered in a woodpile. A family's German Shepherd carried BT10 home in his mouth. The dog was so careful, the turtle was unharmed. But I thought BT13 was the luckiest one of all. It's a miracle it didn't get run over, said my dad. Number 13 was a beautiful turtle. It had bright orange stripes down its smooth shell. Orange and yellow spots speckled its legs. When we got home, I carried number 13 to a chicken wire pen in the backyard where we temporarily kept animals we found. Box turtles eat almost everything, and we fed number 13 cooked hamburger, lettuce, and even earthworms. We didn't want to keep number 13 as a pet. Like all the animals people brought to us, number 13 belonged in the wild. When my dad thought the turtle was ready, we took it to a place close to where we'd found it, one that was safe from traffic. After a last look at the fiery orange creature in my hands, I set the reptile down. "Goodbye, number 13, I said. The turtle blinked. Then it walked straight into the forest. I was sorry to see it go, but I felt sure that number 13's luck would last. Box turtle basics. A shell like a box. When a box turtle senses danger, it can withdraw into its shell. The hinges on the bottom parts of its shell let it close up tight. Long lifespan. Turtles often live more than 50 years and may even live more than 100 years. Home sweet home. Wild box turtles know where they live, so don't move them to a different location. Doing so could put them in danger of traffic and predators as they try to find their way back home. Wash up. It's best to enjoy nature just by watching it. If you decide to pick up a box turtle, be sure to wash your hands afterward since turtles can carry salmonella bacteria.
Thanks for watching and listening. Please click like and subscribe for new and latest uploads.